Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness. So we have a patient, we've done videos on knee pain, okay? And if you haven't seen that video, check that out. We adjusted her knee. It made a huge difference immediately, I think, right afterwards?
Yes, it did.
Yeah, it was almost instantaneous, but she has feet that pronate in. That's not what this video is about. We've fit her with some orthotics, but she's been exercising and training and doing squats. By the way, if you have bad knees, you shouldn't be doing squats. It's not the best exercise for bad knees. There's so many other exercises to strengthen your legs that don't involve squatting. Now, she was just squatting with her body weight. It's good if you need some support. If you're gonna do it, put a big physio ball behind you against the wall. But this video is about how to check if you have a patellar tracking issue. So again, how do I check to see if my patella is tracking correctly? So she complained of squatting and having cracking in the knees. So do your knees crack when you do squats? If so, it could be a patellar tracking issue. So how do we check for a patellar tracking issue? Well, you need someone else to help you, but you could do it yourself, okay? So if she were to do it herself, well, she's not going to, I'm gonna do it for her, but just picture yourself, you sit upright with your legs straight like this. You want to just keep them straight. You could bend them slightly, put them over a little pillow, but not a huge deal. But what you want to do is you want to take the web of your hand here and put it over the patella, over the top of the patella, and push the patella down. And then have yourself or have her squeeze her quad. Any pain?
No.
Okay. So that's okay. That's straight down. Now we're gonna grab the patella underneath and we're gonna push it in, kind of with the thumb inward, okay? And down and inward. And go ahead and squeeze your quad. Any pain?
No.
Okay. Now, if she had pain, cracking, or crackling like she had when she did the squat, then that's a sign of patella tracking issue, right? And you're gonna need to build up certain muscles, okay? Now, let's say you have a patellar tracking, it doesn't track inside. Now we wanna check the outside. So now we're gonna push the patella with these fingers to the outside or laterally this way, okay? So, and we're gonna push it down and out and go ahead and squeeze. Any pain?
No.
Okay, good. So she's good on that leg and you would obviously repeat it on the other leg. So that's how to tell if you have a patella tracking problem. In our next video, we're gonna show you how to fix that. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.